Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock the iPhone and have your passcode or Face ID ready so you can make changes without delay. Once done, make sure you're on Wi-Fi or have cellular so the phone can communicate with Apple and carriers while removing a plan. Then open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. You'll see both physical SIM and any eSIM plans listed. This first step ensures you're in the right place and that the device can save profile changes when you remove the eSIM. You'll now remove the eSIM profile. Tap the cellular plan name that corresponds to the eSIM you want to stop. Next, choose Remove Cellular Plan or Delete eSIM and confirm. This uninstalls the operator profile from your phone. If that plan is set as your primary voice line, make sure to switch voice, iMessage, or FaceTime to another line before deletion so services aren't disrupted. After confirming, the phone deletes the profile locally and ceases using that eSIM. Finish up by restarting your iPhone. A reboot clears caches and ensures the eSIM is fully deactivated. Once restarted, check Settings Cellular to confirm the plan is gone. If the eSIM still appears or you still receive service or billing, contact your carrier to cancel the subscription server side. Deletion on the phone doesn't always stop carrier billing. If you experience connectivity problems after removal, try Reset Network Settings, but be aware this clears Wi-Fi passwords, so save them first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.